We have built an AR-guided cooking application that lets the user explore various recipes either from our curated collection or the recommended section. The recipes can also be filtered based on the difficulty level.
Welcome to SeeFood, your AR guided cooking application. Let's get started with the recipe. The instructions are enclosed in rectangular boxes. The red mask denotes AR guided instructions. Now it's your turn. Swipe left for the next instruction.
The user tried scrolling right, but since this was the first instruction, the system suggests the user to swipe left instead.
प्रोग्रेस दिखा दो.
Did you mean one of these?
Show me my progress. Hide progress.
Congratulations! You have successfully completed the recipe. You can now remove your AR glasses.